Well, now welcome back. I see the late night show, and of course your boy Ogboller. Still there, yeah. So, easy. That video you just played just now with me, Imam, my God, and Larry Foreman. People don't know so I did that video. So this is officially. I don't let you know. That was when I was in the world. Oh. You understand? That particular video.
When you were in the world.
When I was in the world.
They give you money, make you do, and you go sit down.
They give it
money.
When I do that, they give me money. I took one. Don't worry. What's wrong about you? But officially, just let you know. Say this craze don't take. Some people the way they watch now, where they some other part of the world.
Region, yeah.
Just officially letting you know, say your night father. Now you did that video and the craze is real. Man, I don't mind this package, you know. Okay, now. I got my first guest in the building, like I talked just now. Correct baby, they do enough things, and they like the kind of the kind of song what they do, you know. But not be the hard one they do. No, they do the soft one and the contemporary one. She go use her mind to explain the whole thing. Easy. We won't go talk past ourselves because we go do the wrong introduction for the OP. You understand me now? Ladies and gentlemen, I get inside the building, my girl, my correct baby, wanting to fine girl like this and every Clay in the building. Wow, wow. That your fine pieces. Clay. Okay. Before we go release the whole thing, before we open every, move first just with Clay first. You understand? Clay, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
I don't first get you before for another show.
Wait, last week was your birthday.
Yes.
How fun?
How far? One pop things. I believe you. I be okay. Based on this, we dey pop am. We dey pop. He pop. Where the Clay? You know what you go happen? Use your hand, go select anyone you want to select. Nice father. Based on me and things, select anyone. No do you go get things now? Don't worry yourself. You know you see another video. You don't choose the one we call pass. Oh yeah, bring a call. We pop am. That the craze. Put out that. So we go soon do it now. Now we go. I don't say how they say they do it. I say wow. Yeah. They call pump for cycle. They like. Let them move my levels on. 1497. So we go pop am. We go pop am and you know say you guys go take keep this in here. No go use and do anything.
No, we go pop.
We go pop, abi. No, how many they emphasize on the pop? You understand? You know, collect glass, oh. Pop this! You want to get how the fashion format? That's the struggle about you. I believe you. So, ladies and gentlemen, my guest now pop am, oh. Not be me pop am. So basically, pop this thing. That's how they take the decoration for back. Your father in the craze. They tell me for years I go buy up. My guest, I they plan this thing since. They worry you.
Just open and give her make you drum with the hand.
Easy. Come. Now you go popcorn. If I say you drink for this thing, all of us go to the same prison. But anyway, Clay, welcome.
Thank
welcome.
you.
But now this one will take pop and start the whole thing. But now me do birthday. Now you supposed to carry gifts come now.
It's there for car.
It's there for car, okay. So we'll go see talk that one. You understand? So, hey, easy beat! With the papa.
I don't get alert.
Now we papa. No, alert. So you got to take the pour the thing. Abi? I know the pour well, but I know say somehow. Why they lick mouth for corner? They craze. When I say they call papa, you no grip papa. All right, so Clay, you no grip. So cheers to you.
And to you.
Cheers to all of you now. Wait there for house.
I know they.
You know they for
I just drink.
If I hear say crowd enter this place after this show, I go pop person. Drink on. All right.
Is it alcoholic?
No, it's fruity. Very fruity. Trust me. If by mistake, before this show ends, you can't go the pay that the show key. Just know it's very fruity. You understand? Buckley, welcome. How everything be since?
I know.
Okay, I want to make you describe your kind of music to us now. Your kind of music, sharply, before we one day, unleash some kind of things.
Okay. What I do is basically... I'm starting from English. I start from English.
Okay. Just say your market where.
Progress which day. Now, what I do now, rock, soft rock.
Okay, soft rock.
Alternative rock.
Alternative.
And pop rock.
Okay, so what's
that's
the difference between
Niger
the
pop rock, like I mix Niger, Igbo, and rock. Yeah.
Okay. So what's the difference between all this kind of? Because I know say metallic rock they too. All those ones where they do some kind they put I'd like go to one of their concerts for Obodo Ibo. Just go do seeds. I would like that kind of crowd. They sweet me.
Even here, they do stuff like that.
You done for here?
They do that for here.
Sure, not be this story. We'll talk. Where person go collect 52 things.
No.
Okay. Do that kind of setting. So what's the difference for all those kind of those different kind of rock we talk about just now?
It's just I guess it's the music behind it.
Okay.
The beats, the production. Soft rock is more of acoustic guitars, soft electric guitars. While hard rock and metal rock is more of growling, heavy metal, hard drums, heavy drums. Okay.
So So soft rock is soft. The layman terms is soft. The hard rock now they break every year. They spoil things. But they say that one na devil things. They say na devil music, that music be. True, yeah or nay?
When this maybe what they mean is by lyrics. I do not think that, and I think that you can say anything on any genre of music. Okay. So it's not because I don't think rock is a demonic kind of song. Okay. You can sing R&B and say whatever you want to. There are Christian rock bands that do. There are Christian death metal bands.
Yeah.
Yes.
The way Christians they go these days. One day go see porn movie. Christian porn movie. No, they talk rubbish. They talk rubbish. One day you all see blue film. Christian. Soft. Because the way they go now. Anyway, make a leave out for that place. Anyway. So now, no say you don't do several covers of different songs before now, and then your own jams themselves they on board. You get the one we've been do for Wizkid on that year.
I Love My Baby.
I Love My Baby. Oh, I love my baby. That one you be easy. You get that? I believe you. But I get one recent one where they on board now. Which one be that one?
Godwin cover.
You don't do Godwin cover?
Yes.
Godwin cover. Okay. Now, easy bit. Is it for that be? Just jam. We'll just feel the whole thing. You understand? Okay. Wicked. Clay.
Wicked.
Take again. Drink on.
Thank you.
Okay, but quickly, because I also knows too, because you see perform that thing, that particular song inside that you take close the whole show. But now, aside from this one, now which Clay they work on presently?
I am going to release my new single.
Okay.
September.
By September?
Yes.
Your new single. Any album on ground so far?
No album yet, but I hope to release a new album by, say, the end of the year.
By the end of the year?
Yes.
Okay, so that means they look forward to some kind of things from you.
Yes.
You don't tell everybody like this now. But your songs, and where people go get them online?
You can download my songs on www.clayrocksu.com. That's CLAY, Clay, Rocksu, ROCKSU. Okay. Clay Rocksu, letter U.
Okay, letter U.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so we go see Clay just before the show end, perform her song, go drop inside here sharply. All right, so we still there together, but we'll get one of our video, we'll go just, we'll go just drop sharply. From there, we'll bring in our second guest, finish our second guest and then we, you know, pop every and just, you know, dine and wine. We still get chicken, they come to the show, chicken. Forget.
I don't go to this.
So you do hair like this. All right. Cheers to you.